In today's episode, we have supercar chases and some crazy crashes. Stay tuned. A Ferrari driver was pulled over for speeding after being observed by law enforcement who initiated a traffic stop.
Oh, sweet, a Ghibli.
On July 1st, 2016, a driver attempted to park in a prohibited area. However, he was soon required to move his vehicle to allow a truck driver to navigate a curve, during which he inadvertently collided with a car behind him.
Whoa, whoa, whoa!
On September 6, 2021, a motorcyclist performed an extended wheelie, which is highly dangerous. Unfortunately, this stunt ultimately resulted in the rider losing control and falling off the motorcycle.
Or is that he's turning left?
No, it's just I think he's just flipping the link off. What's he doing? Oh, jeez. Flashing.
That's good, he's alright. You're alright,
okay?
man? Yeah, I'm good, thank you!
On August 10th, 2021, a vehicle was making a left turn when the driver of a white pickup truck failed to stop at a red light, colliding with the turning vehicle. This resulted in a serious accident. However, fortunately, no one was injured. A red pickup truck accelerated without realizing a police officer was trailing behind. This oversight quickly led to immediate consequences, serving as a perfect example of instant justice. September 6, 2024, a trooper noticed a dark-colored SUV approaching from behind. Using radar, the trooper confirmed that the vehicle was traveling at 98 miles per hour in a 75 mile per hour zone. The trooper activated the emergency lights and siren while continuing to pursue the vehicle. After a brief chase, the driver eventually stopped. However, as the trooper approached, the driver put the vehicle in gear and attempted to flee from the traffic stop.
Roll the windows down. All of them. Roll all of them down. All the way.
The trooper swiftly repositioned to the driver's side of the vehicle using the patrol car's Tactical Vehicle Intervention (TVI) bumper. He successfully executed a TVI maneuver, causing the vehicle to spin counterclockwise into the roadside ditch. Due to the high speed at which the vehicle was traveling, it left the roadway and crashed into the tree line, resulting in significant damage. the trooper exited the vehicle and approached the wreckage in the brush, he issued verbal commands and called out to the driver, but received no response. Concerned about the driver's condition, the trooper inspected the vehicle, but found no one inside or nearby. A perimeter was established and a search of the surrounding area was conducted, but the driver remained unaccounted for.
Vehicle!
While searching the immediate area around the vehicle, the trooper discovered a baggie containing 37 suspected MDMA pills in a backpack just outside. Upon further inspection of the vehicle, he found another backpack containing 40 suspected MDMA pills, along with approximately 14 grams of suspected marijuana. A driver brazenly ran a red light only to be swiftly apprehended by a police officer. Instant karma at its finest. On July 29, 2022, officers observed a suspicious truck and promptly initiated a traffic Upon noticing the police vehicle behind him, the truck driver attempted to evade the officers and flee the scene. The truck driver was speeding at 91 miles per hour in a 75 mile per hour zone when he noticed the officers behind At one point, the truck driver made a deceptive maneuver by briefly veering to the right as if he intended to turn. However, he then continued straight ahead. Fortunately for him, driving a truck meant he couldn't accelerate quickly enough to escape. The officers were able to catch up and successfully bring him to a stop. After successfully stopping the truck driver, the officers informed him of the reason for the traffic stop and proceeded to search his truck. Driver, the officers noticed signs of intoxication and arrested him for driving under the influence. During the subsequent search of his truck, they discovered large quantities of marijuana. September 2nd, 2024, a trooper observed a car speeding on Interstate 40 eastbound near Mound City Road. After checking the speed with radar, it registered at 103 miles per hour. The trooper quickly accelerated to catch up with the vehicle as it continued to pass by.
Hungry.
283 eastbound, 803 Boy George Victor Mary, a Tennessee white Toyota Camry.
Hey, work.
The trooper caught up to the vehicle and activated the blue emergency lights to initiate a traffic stop. The vehicle initially slowed to between 65 and 55 miles per hour, but then re-accelerated, prompting the trooper to call for a pursuit at approximately 85 miles per hour. As speeds exceeded 100 miles per hour and the driver displayed a complete disregard for the safety of other motorists, the trooper executed a tactical vehicle intervention, TVI, successfully disabling the vehicle.
Show me your hands!
Two running southbound. Looks like Hispanic males.
Two running southbound, Hispanic males.
Vehicle clear.
Vehicle clear.
The suspect, identified as Lopez Perdomo, faces the following charges: speeding fleeing, misdemeanor, fleeing felony, no driver's license DWI, first offense, refusal to submit to chemical test.
So you had one hit right here, one hit here, so they split up. One headed south or east, one either went straight across or you could be trailing back up. Do what? I was going to the driver. The driver was the one heading this way. So, one heading east as a passenger.